To know all about Flipkart seller processes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hello sellers! Today we will learn about the new consignment creation dashboard that has been created to make it easier for you to create, schedule and track your consignments. Here is the step-by-step representation of the new flow. To go to the new consignment dashboard, log in to Seller Portal, click on the Inventory tab and then select Consignment. You will be able to see a list of all consignments that you have created, segregated into different sections. Draft. For a consignment in the draft stage, you can add or remove products, schedule consignment, delete consignment, or download CSV from here. Scheduled. For a consignment in a scheduled stage, you can confirm dispatch, download QC file, reschedule, download invoice and label, cancel consignment, or download CSV from here. Dispatched. For a consignment in the dispatched state, you can download CSV or download the invoice and label from here. Inverted. For a consignment in received in warehouse stage, you can download the invoice and label from here. Completed. For a consignment in completed, you can download the invoice and label or download CSV from here. You can start new consignment creation by clicking on Create Consignment on the top right. Let's know about the steps involved in creating a consignment. Once you land on the consignment creation page, you will see the default name given to the consignment on the top left. You can choose to add the name by clicking on the small pencil icon next to the name. Now that we have learned about how to name a new consignment, let's find out how a new consignment is created. The new consignment creation process is divided into 4 steps. Step 1. Enter dispatch and delivery address for the consignment. Step 2. Add products to the consignment. Step 3. Schedule the consignment. Step 4. Dispatch. The first step is to add the dispatch address and delivery address. Delivery address. This is the address of the Flipkart warehouse where you want to send the consignment. Dispatch address. The address from where the consignment needs to be dispatched or will be picked up. You can also choose to add a new address by clicking on the option at the end that says Add New Address. Enter all the required details and then click on Add. Once you have added the address, from next time, this address will be visible in Address drop-down. After selecting the dispatch and delivery addresses, you will have to click on the Next button on the top right of the section. Add products. You will have the option to add the list of products directly to the consignment or use the bulk upload feature to add products to the consignment. The column next to the quantity column is the recommended quantity that tells you how much inventory you should schedule based on the demand and the sell-through of your products. For adding products directly to the consignment, select the products that you want to add to the consignment and then add the details. Quantity of products you want to add to the consignment. Cost price of each product. After adding all the details, click on Save Consignment. You can save consignment as many times as you want. This saves the details of your consignment in the system and shows you the slot availability for your consignment. Before you schedule your consignment, we recommend you to review it by going to the This Consignment tab in the top right corner to review the entire consignment. You can then edit the product quantity and remove a listing. You can also add products using bulk upload. As you can see, you can click on the drop-down next to Save Consignment, download the template file using the Download File option. Fill in all the details and then use the Upload File option to upload the bulk file. After reviewing and saving the consignment, you can click on the Next button to move to the next step, that is, Schedule. Schedule. Once you have added the products to the consignment, the next step is to schedule the consignment. You will see a calendar and you can choose the date which is in white. The grayed out dates are unavailable. The white dates are available. Once you have confirmed the date and scheduled your consignment, you can click on the Next button to move to the fourth step. Dispatch. The last stage is to dispatch the consignment for the Flipkart warehouse. For this, download QC files, make sure you follow QC guidelines, enter the quantity of boxes and download labels and invoices. Then confirm dispatch. Now that you have got an overview of the consignment dashboard, subscribe and stay tuned to our YouTube channel to know more about the process in detail.